Hey guys, so today we're showing you how to, I know it's the same day, but we're showing you how to use the search feature on this. I think I've shown this on video, but I'm not sure, so I'm just going to show it. So press search on your microphone, or press mode, and then press 4 to search. Or, let me just do that, and then, or press search on here, and there. And then you see these. So now, if you see that, that means you have to press the number multiple times in order to type in the title or singer of the artist or song you want to play. So say for Air Supply, it's a pretty popular musician, artist I mean. So press, since it says 2 for ABC, so let me just press search again, it went away. So press 2, so press 2 once, it'll show the A for 4. I have to press it 3 times for I to appear. So yeah, and then R for R, press 7, 1, 2, 3, 3 times. And then if you want to space it out, just press 0. And then there. One will not have a function for this, since you see there it doesn't have a function. So if you want to type in S, press this 4 times, since it has 4 letters displayed on the microphone. 2, 3, 4. And then now, oh wait, let me switch that to singer. This is not gonna work, so let me just do that again. I forgot it was title. So if you're gonna go to title, press search again for the singer. I didn't do that. So you would press search again for either the title or singer, or just the alphanumerical list, and then press. Let me do the whole process again. There you go. Space. And then if you want it for S, press 4 times right there, and then for you, and then you see Air Supply. So now it shows all the songs from the artist. It's only 9 songs on this, and then this one, the first one, Even the Nights Are Better, I think. Yeah. Press the green button, and then now the song is just playing. See? So now, see? Now, so yeah, that's pretty much how to use this search function. Now let me try the title function. Let me try title. For title, if you want to type in the title of of a song, for example, Bakit Ba. Okay. Oh, jeez. And press search again. It went away. So, and then I'm gonna press 2 again, since this is how it's gonna be spelled, and then try to make the camera focus. Okay. And then for I, press 4 3 times right there. And then if you want to, and then let me just press T. Where's T? T, okay, right there. Let me space it out. Like that. Okay, so now you can either just still type it, or you can search it also. So like this. So right there, I'm searching for this song, and then I'll press the green button, or the play blue button. See? So now that was also playing. I used the, so I showed the title and singer, and then yeah, that's pretty much it for the search function, guys. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.